So those of you who don't understand Urdu or Hindi, what he's saying is call नहीं आता है सिर्फ click होता है क्या करे help me. Okay, so what he is getting is he's only getting clicks and no calls. So again, what you want to look at is what I just said, IP. Look at the IP. If you find that a lot of clicks are happening on your IP or from a particular IP or IPs, then exclude them. Then they won't be able to click on or see your ads. Google will block them. The other thing which you can also do is potentially change the message on the ad, because although they are clicking on the ads, they are not calling you, because it's a two-step process. First click, Google will charge you for that click, and then the phone dialer will come up, and then that's when they need to that's when they click the call button or the to phone you. I don't think changing the ad copy will solve this problem, because they see your ad, they like what they see, but they then abandon the call. So the only thing you can do is perhaps stop the call ads for now and run a responsive search ad or expanded text ads with the call extension on it, because that will also have the call button. Perhaps drive the traffic to your landing page, show them the value, your offer, your price, and then have your phone number on your landing page as well. And hopefully then things will change and you'll start to get more phone calls. I think that's what I would do if I was you.